Assalamu Alaikum. As you know, so far we have covered the basics like how Google works, what the internet and the World Wide Web are, what a niche is, and the different things inside a niche that we will use later. So, in today's lecture, we will also look at why niche selection is important and how to find the right niche. You might have heard people say SEO is changing or SEO is dead, while others say SEO is still profitable. And they are right. Trust me, guys. SEO is an $80 billion industry and demand is still growing worldwide. So to say SEO is dead is not right. The role of niche in SEO is huge. I told you earlier that the niche plays 70% role in your failure or success. 70% is a very big number. If I give that much weight to one thing, it means it truly important. Learning SEO is a long journey. We will go step by step, and there could easily be 100 plus classes where we cover a lot. I give the most weight to the niche because it is really that important. I have my own rules for selecting niche, which I am sharing with you. Always start with untapped niches, the one with low competition. That's my suggestion. Now, some of you will ask why. Because I believe that if your first project becomes successful, it boosts your energy to start the next project. My goal is for your first project to succeed. By success, I mean beginners should reach a point where they are earning money in a relatively short time with relatively small investment and low energy. So they begin to generate income. That's the definition of success for beginners who are just starting a business. To achieve that, our niche selection must be correct, right? So that your morale stays high and your confidence grows. Then you will be ready to play big later on. Unfortunately, many people take business too lightly, but the truth is, it's a time consuming process that requires energy. Let me give an example. If someone in the US says, I am entering SEO, what do you think they will say? Definitely, he will say that I have $1 lakh for investing, 5 years, time duration, and some of ideas. I will start a blog and we will see where it goes after 5 years. But unfortunately, here most people don't know about Canva, Figma, or even basic Wi-Fi setup. They expect that after 1 month, dollar will rain down on them. But practically, that's impossible. Because of this unrealistic thinking, people fall for scams and then feel discouraged. So remember, treat this as a business or a career. If you treat it as a business and take it long term, you will enjoy the journey. My main goal here was to make you understand the importance of the niche. Always choose low competition niches because they requires less money, less energy and less time to get results. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. And if you want to learn SEO step by step, subscribe to the channel now so you don't miss any video.